How to use TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Create an account or simply log in if you already have an account. If you click on profile, you'll find your profile. From here you can edit or share profile, even look at your videos that you have posted or your private videos, favorite videos, and liked videos. After that, if you click on plus button, you can simply click TikTok video. If you click on inbox, you'll find all the new followers and your activity and your messages also in here. After that, if you click on home, you'll find all the videos to scroll. And if you go to profile and click on three lines on top right, you can go to TikTok Studio, Balance, My Music, QR code, settings, and privacy. And this is how to use TikTok.
This is how to
Thank you
turn
for
a
joining
TikTok
me today. If this
sound
video
into a
helps you
ringtone.
out, please leave a like
Thank you
and
for
subscribe
joining me
for
today.
more.
If
Got
this
a
video
question or
helps
want
you
to
out,
suggest
please
a
leave a
topic,
like and
comment below.
subscribe
I
for
am
more. Got a
Sophia
question
signing
or
off
want to
until
suggest a
next time.
topic, comment below. I am
Thank you
Sophia
for joining
signing
me
off
today. If
until
this
next
video
time.
helps you out,